Hi everyone, good to see you. Let's talk about what do you do in a changing market to get your seller to reduce the price. Those are often tough conversations. So I'm going to give you some pointers today, and hopefully that conversation won't be so tough and you can get them to get with where the current market is. If you haven't been keeping track of stats, you're going to be seeing that the months on market is moving up. I keep track on a weekly basis versus waiting for Stable to come out with 30 days in arrears, because then you're behind the ball instead of in front of the ball. So my personal stats shows that we have a lot more months of inventory than what just came out last week on Sabre Stats. I now need to have conversations with sellers that are on timelines that they need to lower their price. Step number one in having that conversation is going to be gather all your statistical information. No seller likes to be told just to lower their price because you think it's time. It's better to have the statistical information to back that up. That is, know about what is active option and pending in the last 30 days in their neighborhood. Then move out to the zip code or map area and take a look at what has been selling in about 200 square feet on either side of them. That's going to tell you if they're priced too high and they need to be reconsidering that price, or when they're on a time crunch, they may need to jockey into a better position when it comes to choice in the area. Number two is go through the showings and look at showing time statistics, because that's going to give you some more information that is very good to talk to them about. Maybe they've only had one showing in the last 30 days. Well, that may be an indicator when showing time reports is showing that there's an average of 5 showings per listing that you need to change the price. Having those two pieces of information is very important when you discuss that with the seller. And then, of course, it's always about their timing and their needs, and you need to have that conversation again to reiterate with them where do they want to be and when do they want to be there by, and all three of those may lead to a price reduction conversation. I'm Miss Eastakers, broker owner of Eastakers Realty Partners, and we're here to help you with your real estate, and hopefully those are some great tips that you can put to use. If we can ever answer any questions, please feel free to reach out, give us a call, send us an email. We'll be glad to help you.